Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So in today's video we are going to talk about Azure Map Visual. This visual has been introduced as a preview feature in July 2020 updates for Power BI. So I'm gonna tell you how to use it, what are the special features in this visual and what are the limitations of this visual. So stay tuned till the end of this video. Azure Map Visuals in Power BI. What are Azure Map Visuals in Power BI? Well, Azure Map Visuals, it's an important tool for gaining geospatial context and insights that can be used for decision making. We have already two maps available in Power BI as a visual itself, but those are not good enough. So let's get into it and see what it's going to offer. First of all, why do we need it? Well, it is required for the better understanding of the data, quick geospatial context and insights, and thirdly, it's going to leverage built-in Power BI features. What are the different types of layers in Azure Map Visuals? Well, it's going to provide us the 5 different types of layers. While first is the bubble layer, then it comes the 3D bar chart layer, reference layer, custom tile layer, and real-time traffic overlay. Now we are going to discuss them one by one. The very first layer is the bubble layer. Bubble layers are a great way to represent location data as scaled circles on the map. Customers can use the linear scaling methods or customize the scaling logic using a logarithmic or cubic Bezier curve. I'll provide a link in the description so that you can have a look what is cubic Bezier curve. Second one is the 3D bar chart layer. 3D bar chart layer are useful for taking data to the next dimension by allowing visualizations of location data as 3D bars or cylinder on the map. I'm gonna show you how to do it during the demo. Users can tilt and rotate the map by holding down the right mouse button and dragging, or use one of the navigation controls to view your data from different perspectives. So you will see how to use them. Third is the reference layer. Well, reference layer overlay additional data layers to add more context. Power BI currently allows a single dataset to be connected to a visual. However, when working with the maps, it is often desirable to be able to overlay additional data layers to add more context to the reports, and then it's come into the picture. The fourth one is the custom tile layer. Well, it's gonna superimpose images on the top of Azure Map base map tiles, and we can set the transparency as well. The fifth one and the last one is the real-time traffic overlays layer. This layer is going to help us to observe the real-time traffic. Now the question comes, how to enable it? Well, first of all, you have to enable Azure Maps in the admin tenant settings if you are the admin, or you can request it for this one. Secondly, you have to go to the file options, and from there you have to go to the options and settings options, and then you will see in the preview features we have to tick it over there, and that's how you are going to enable it. Now let's have a quick demo and see how to use Azure Map Visual. In the visualization panels you will see Azure Map over there. It's a visual, just click over this one, and with that it would show you one disclaimer. So please read this disclaimer before proceeding further. Why? Because maybe it's not according to the policies of your organization. Now on my right hand panel you will see in the formatting pane there is a latitude, longitude, legend, size, tooltips, as well as some drill through options. So there you won't find any location based one, like for example if I location for the countries or for states it can populate. No, it's not there yet, but maybe it's coming in future. So I have some latitude, longitude, so let me drag it down from my customer table, and based on that it's gonna show you the different bubbles on the map. We need to fill out with the size. So for size, let's take the customer count over there. It's there. Let me drag it again. Yes, it's there. So I'm gonna take the distinct customer count, and according to that it's gonna show me over here. Now it's pretty easy till here. On the map you will see these are the different styles. We can apply the satellite style, the road style, and there are some gray style. Whichever you want to select, you can select over here. We have option to zoom out, zoom in. So let's zoom out. Then we have options for the pitch. That means how you want to view, like this, or you want to go back and then reset it. Similarly, we have option for rotations as well. So these are the different navigations which are over here we are looking. Now if I want to select it by legend, so let me put state provinces as legend, so we can see the different colors over there. Let's go to the formatting tab over here. So if you want to select different data colors for as per your states, we can choose, otherwise let it be automatic. Map settings, this is auto zoom, on and off we can do it from here. So I'll just take it on right now, and let me zoom out a bit so that we can see a clear picture over there. World wrap, that means if you are gonna turn it off, it's gonna show you like this, but once you are gonna turn it on, it's gonna show you like a flat piece of paper. Style picker, that means over here you see the style picker has been gone. That means the different style of maps like satellite one, road view, something like that. So it's gone from here. So you can still turn it on, and you can see there are different options we have over here. Navigation, these are all are the navigation. So if you will turn it off, you won't get any, but style picker is there because it's still on. So let's turn it on. And then we have the different map styles as well, whether we want gray style, gray black, gray dark, night, or let's say satellite. By default bubbles are on, but yes, you can turn it off as well if you don't like. And let's go first in the bubbles one. So as we go down, we'll say that auto zoom and this world wrap, style picker, all are there. Now we have the different scale options. So linear, log we have, but we have one new option which is cubic bezier. So you guys can go on the Google and you can type it. You will find it's a third kind of scale which is very useful. And now going further, we have transparency. Like over here you cannot see anything behind it, but if we have some transparency, you will realize that these are becoming transparent over there. So I'm gonna turn off this option for the bubbles right now, because we have to explore something else as well, that is bar chart. Over here you will find the similar options. You can set whether cylindrical or box, up to you. And if I zoom on the chart, you will see there are different bars are appearing on this map, so which are box type. But if you want cylindrical type, you can choose it from there. Also you can adjust their heights, then their width. Now going further down, we have certain other options as well, like we want transparency again, let's say 59%. so you will see it's quite transparent now. But and then you have a layer position as well, like you want to put it above labels or you want to put it below road labels. These all are the labels, like United States, different state names you can see on my screen. Reference layer is that you can add a reference layer. For example, let me try to add, it's basically GeoJSON files are there, so which we can use as a reference layer if we want to put our map, as I discussed in the PPT as well. And traffic layer, we can switch it on, which would give you the real-time traffic as per the traffic over there. Now the tile layer, for the tile layer, basically different cities or different places, they have the different kinds of layout, and for that you have to Google a bit so that you can find one particular layer that you want to place over your map. And according to that, we can set the transparency over there and its size. You just need to provide the URL over there and you will set the transparency, so you can set it according to your choice. And then again the same layer options are there. These are the main formatting options for this one. And as Azure Map Visual is currently available only in the preview features, so there are certain limitations. The very first one is add location is not there. Only latitude and longitude information can be used right now. but maybe it's gonna come in future. Secondly, the ordering of the layer is not possible. So if we want to order the layer, like I'm using one tile layer and I want to do the ordering of this one, that's also not possible. Thirdly, we cannot publish it on the public web or embedded it in the website. And the last one is the label option is still not over there. So there are some of the features that we are waiting from the Microsoft Power BI team to implement it, and I'm damn sure it's gonna be a game changer in future. Well guys, with that I'll say thank you very much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon